Hi guys, this video is for those who have bad credit history or no credit history. If you are in those categories, you know how difficult it is to obtain a credit card. I'm going to show you how to get one. If you would like to, you can go to Google and do a secure credit card research. In order to get a credit card without any credit history or bad credit history, you need to get a credit card called secure credit card. What it means is you need to put a deposit in your credit card, and then your spending limit based on the deposit that you put in, and you have to pay your bill monthly just like having a normal credit card. You can go to Google and do a secure credit card research. I have done it for you before filming this video. Plus on top of it, I have helped my son secure his own credit card through Discover. And the reason why I like Discover is because they have no annual fees. Plus, you can earn cash back on your purchases, which is difficult to find from a secure credit card. Let's go on to their link, and the application is very easy and fast. After you have clicked on the link, it will take you to this page, the Discover's Secure Credit Card application. What I did when I applied the pre-approval credit card for my son, I went to the check now because I wanted to make sure that he can check it before I go into all the details of filling out the application. So after you fill in all the information here, you need to be thorough, fill in everything, and then check this box and then check now. From there, I knew that my son was approved. And then from there, I started his secure credit card application. When you are ready to fill out the application form, make sure you have all the information. And at the end of it, there's a section asking for the bank information that you would like to transfer your minimum balance over. So their minimum balance is from 200, that is their minimum, all the way to 500, I believe. I didn't look into it too much because my son just wanted to have the 200 minimum balance on his secure card. So it's up to you how much you would like to have in your credit card, and you will use it like a normal credit card. You have to pay your bill on time, and then the difference between this and debit card is this will be able to apply to your credit history. So each time you pay your bill on time, it affects your credit history. So treat it with respect and treat it just like a normal credit card. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Until then, we will see you next time. Bye.